Okay, so I gotta relight this furnace, right? A while ago, somebody came to relight the water heater, and they're supposed to do the furnace, and they got paid pretty much triple to do it, and somehow they didn't do the furnace. When the conversation was about them coming back, they wanted you to come and get them and pay them a little bit more. So I'm here. So let me see if I could. I took the lid off. This is the lid right here. I know it's dark, but I already took the lid off. I'll move this plate out the way. So let me see if I could get my phone here. This is simple stuff to light the furnace. It's simple. Let me see if I could. Okay. Now, okay, before I put this in here, let me just show you exactly what I gotta do. Or what you have to do. You see this? When it says pilot, it might be, it's a closed space. I'm not sure if you can see it. But right here, it says pilot. And this part right here. See, this is, you just gotta push this part down. This part right here, my glove is on. And then light it. So I'm gonna put my phone here. We'll be able to see. Alright. Now when you light it, you should be able to hear it. It's like when you light an oven. That's it. Then I just gotta hold it down for a little bit. Let it warm up. I just took it off. See, I ain't hold it long enough. So I'm gonna light it again. And just hold it for a little bit. Once it warms up, okay, that should be about long enough. Let me try. Let me take my hand off now. I took my hand off. Now, let me do something. So now I'm gonna take it off of pilot and put it on on. Turn the switch from pilot to on. Then now it's on. See, and that's good. See? So now, that's it.